guys, we're carrying on. We're gonna do this. So my middle guy, Ben, is turning 9 tomorrow. That is so crazy to me. He has always, he just has a special place in my heart. All my kids do, and for their own special reasons. So if you know Ben, he is very happy-go-lucky. He's very sweet. He's very caring, and he just loves life, and he loves his family, loves his friends. And so I am in the throes of making all of his birthday shenanigans happen. So I started off by we got some cupcakes going over there for his class treat. And then I'm also going to be making him a birthday cake. And Ben loves, lives, and breathes for hockey. So what I'm gonna be doing for those cupcakes is I'm going to be frosting them on the top, and then I have these Oreos that are supposed to be like hockey pucks, and then I'm gonna make the crisscross hockey sticks on them, and then just set them on top. So that's gonna be super cute. And then for his cake, I'm gonna be making an ice hockey rink. So I was gonna try and do a Minnesota Wild jersey, but I thought, Renee, just settle down. You don't need. You want it to look like a jersey and not a bloodbath. So, and if you know the Minnesota Wild, most of their jersey is it's either the green, the forest green, or the red and this and that. And I'm like, oh gosh, girlfriend needs some more practice. So I'm gonna be making hockey rink cake. So we'll see how it goes, right? So. Yep, so these, and I'm not the greatest baker. Let's just throw that out there, claimer, whatever. So these turned out a little womp, which is fine. I think I filled them too full, which is all right. So you can see a little muffin top creeping over the sides there. So I'm just gonna trim those up, shape them up before I frost them and stuff, which is fine. So it is not even 10 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to get them cooked, baked, if you will. And so they can, be all cool, ready to go while I'm going to be frosting them. So, okay, so I'm on to the next cake, and we're going to get this is fierce hair things going on here. Okay, so anyway, that's what's going on for today. I'm ready to get going. Let's get air rolling. So we are going to be turning these guys into hockey pucks. So I got all of the cupcakes ready to go. And I got one of these little.
Stab one of these into there.
Yeah, you're doing some quality control, aren't you? Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this cookie icing. I'm gonna make a little crisscross dealy bob to make them look like hockey sticks going across. So okay, there's that side they're both the same. Okay, well that works fine. So right, here we go. We're gonna get it done. Here we go. So I'm just going to. I don't know. You better not judge me on these. So I'm like, oh my gosh.
What is it?
I have some friends who are some really fantastic bakers, and I feel like they could run their own shop, and I'm not exaggerating or oh dear or anything like that, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of skill. It's a lot of all the things. So I'm like, hockey. We got this, right? I can do this. I can do this. So I love doing stuff like this with the kids. We don't ever really go crazy overboard for birthday stuff. I actually find hosting to parties to be a little bit stressful sometimes.
I'm eating another Oreo.
Yeah, you didn't have to have another Oreo, you goof. You're in trouble with this one. No more for you. So anyway, I don't know. I think though too, where we are, in the Midwest, sometimes it's not that easy to find venues to host with. Not only that, but just also you have to shell out a lot of money for these things. Yay! Hopefully he will like these. So all right, I have a long way to go to get these guys done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna carry on doing these. And then, oops. I'm not gonna make you sit here anymore and just watch me do this. Okay, guys, so here we go. So mind you, I'm no cake decorator. Sorry, this is off. There, that's better. So mind you, I'm no cake decorator, but I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. So, okay. So I've got, like, I frosted my cupcakes. I had some piping issues with the bag. The bag, I don't know if it was just a bit older or something, but it kept,
Hello. I have things.
but it kept bursting out the sides. And I was like, oh my gosh. So it ruined the pressure of my bag. It's one of those days. All right. So anyway, we are going to just roll with it. It's fine. Yep, I will in just a minute. And then I'm gonna plonk all of these hockey pucks into the ice. The truth. Oh, that's not attractive. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Did I do a good job? Yep. Okay, carry on. So it's been a while. Here's what, before I show you things, so I've made the rink looking cake. Now, I'm not a decorator. I don't do this a whole often. However, you can tell it's a rink. It's just not fancy. And I need to put it in the fridge because some of the, like oh no, it is bleeding. Oh, bugger. Here, I'll show you a quick little glimpse of it and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Guys, oh, bummer. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, but that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. And then I'm gonna stick little guys in there. And so when I get those and set it up right, I will show you. Bummed. Okay, well, we will fix it. Luckily, it doesn't luckily I'm not like a professional baker and it has to go to like a legit party. Okay, I'm gonna tuck this away.